Hello, my name is Agatha and I'm happy today. Yes, I'm so happy. I got the book from, it's a book in a deck from Book Depository and it's big and I know what it is. And I'm going to, open this. Wait. I don't think it's, the scissors are not required. Yes. 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 Scissors. Oh, this is big. It's well accommodated. So I got this. The Tarot of Vampyres by Ian Daniels. And it's big. It's the book with the cards and Embrace the Night. I don't particularly liked. I was not particularly interested in this deck. But then I saw a YouTuber and she uses this deck all the time, and that started my piqued my interest, and I read a little bit about the deck, and apparently it's a very good work. Even the book, because it comes with a book. I do need the scissors, and so I decided, why not? Why shouldn't I buy this deck? I actually tried it in a Portuguese site first, wook.pt, and I tried there was a version in Spanish, but apparently it was all out. But I'm okay with Spanish or English. I don't have a problem with that. Even French, it was all out, and then I decided, okay, might as well, get this from Book Depository. So I've been trying to get this deck for, I would say like maybe 2 months. It didn't take 2 months to get here. It cost me 25 euros and 70 cents in Book Depository. And let's see. The Tarot of Vampyres. And it was, my order was on the 12th of June. And today is the 26th of June, so 2018. So it was usually from Book Depository to Portugal. It's 2 weeks. Yes, it was 2 weeks. Actually, the mail woman came yesterday, but no one answered. So actually, it's less than 2 weeks. But it's okay. It's 2 weeks. Usually, it's 2 weeks. So right on time. Right on time. And they always send something. They send this bookmarker, Keeper. Read the book, Keeper's Birthday. Okay, now I'm gonna see how this opens. Opens like, oh, so cute. Oh, roses. A rose. Ooh. So this is the book. This is a thick book. Surrender to your spiritual hunger. I always like to do this. It smells good. It smells like a brand new book. And then it's the deck. The deck. Look at the deck. So cute. So cute. I'm gonna read from behind. It says, embrace the night as you succumb to visions of blood red roses and feel the impassioned rhythms of your feverishly pounding heart. The vampire legend is rooted in darkness and seduction, yet its eternal message is one of spiritual hunger to taste the divine. Featuring Ian Daniels' richly evocative Gothic-style artwork, this hauntingly romantic deck is a tool for spiritual awakening. It's inspired by the Rider White structure. The deck shows the Fool, the Priestess, and other traditional figures, while the suits have a different name. They are the scepters, grails, knives, and skulls. The companion book provides detailed card meanings, creative exercises, original spreads and its instructions for creating your own vampire character. Oh my god. Oh, look at the full. Okay, so I need the scissors again. I need the scissors. Oh, so let's see. I've been trying to like control myself lately. Try not to buy too many decks or books. Usually, like lately, I have not been buying decks. I've been buying books. Astrology books and spiritual books and stuff like that. But I'm trying to control myself, so not to spend so much money in decks and books and all of that. Oh, so the card behind is like this. It's not very. I don't like it when there's so much, money put on the box in the book, and very little money goes to the cards themselves. So it's thin, so that the true value of the cards are within the images. I'm sorry. And it's beautiful images, very dark. Doesn't really suit my personality, I would say. But I wanna use this. I wanna see how far I can go with this deck. And I wish it was a bit, thick. The cardstock would be a bit thick. And what is the? It's Llewellyn. Llewellyn is the publisher. So, I'm going to show you the cards. The Fool. Oh, the Magician. Always my favorite card. Look at him. Ooh, the Magician. The Priestess. Everything oozes with blood. The Empress. The Emperor. Very red and dark. The Hierophant, kind of feels almost like the devil. The Lovers, ooh. The Chariot, look at the Chariot. The Justice card, interesting. The Hermit, dragging several skulls behind him. The Fortune, the Wheel of Fortune. The Strength card. Okay, the Hanged Man, disturbing. The Death card. The Temperance card, interesting, she has wings, so like a fallen angel. Wings, she has wings. The Devil. Whoa, the Devil. Angels near the Devil. The Tower card. The Star. The Moon. And she has the symbol of Pisces in her necklace. The Sun. Okay. Judgment. In the World. So the next suit is Scepters. Scepters, I think it's Wands. So let's see. Ooh, the book has how many? 290, almost 300 pages actually. Yeah, more than 301 pages. So it's juicy. Phantasmagoria, it's the name of the book, again by Ian Daniels. And Ian Daniels is he's an artist, a painter. Yes, an artist. So he does a lot of imagery connected with vampires and stuff like that. So this speaks of a dark and stormy night. Introduction in background, alchemy about the cards, the awakening, card spreads and exercises, kith and kin, personal card portraits, and then the part 2 is the cards themselves, major arcana, minor arcana. So, there's a quote by H.P. Lovecraft by the Necronomicon. That is not death which can eternal lie, and with strange aeons even death may die. I don't get it, but okay. Okay, introduction. Let's see. Oh, it's a lot of introductions. The nature. Okay, the title of Vampyres. Okay, fire is the scepters. Fire is the scepters. Water is the grails. Air is the knives, and earth is the skulls. So different suits have different names. It's the same. The suits are the same, but the names are different. Okay. So alchemy about the cards. The magician, planet trump of Mercury, and it's connected with then there's like the Kabbalah meanings, I think. With Beth, house, the priestess, planetary trump of the moon, and in Kabbalah is Gimel, camel. Okay, interesting. Minor arcana. Okay, the scepters are associated with. He seems to have done a very good job. I think the book was written by him as well, because many decks, it's like two different things. Like an artist makes the cards, and then someone else makes the book. He done this like entirely himself. And this book has been published. This deck has been published when? I don't know when. It doesn't say here. Okay, 2010. I don't know if it was in 2010, because this edition is the edition of 2017. It's the 5th printing. Sorry. So he has, yes, the Tree of Life. So he incorporates. I've read about this and I've seen YouTube videos that incorporates not only like the meaning of traditional tarot, Rider White, but incorporates a lot of things. So you're seeing the Tree of Life, and he's explaining the Tree of Life actually. Oh my God! Card spreads and exercises. So card spreads. Okay. The labyrinth. Exercises, the manuscript, the dreaming. Interesting. Okay. So let's begin with, I don't know if I'm going to show you everything. The Ace of Spectres, which is the Ace of Wands. The Two of Spectres. The Three of Spectres, the Four of Spectres, the Five of Spectres. I'm not going to show you all. Let's see, like the Lord of Spectres, the Lord, the Queen, the Daughter, and the Prince. Okay, so the Lord is the King of Wands. The Queen of Wands is the Queen of Spectres. The Prince of Spectres is like the Knight of Wands. And the Daughter of Spectres is the Page of Wands. Okay, the Ace of Grails. Grails are water. It's cups. It's the Ace of Cups. The Two of Grails, which is generally the soulmate card, one of the soulmate cards. The Three of Grails, the Tree of Water, or the Tree of Cups, the Four of Grails, So the 6 of Grails, interesting. The 8 of Cups, the 8 of Grails. The 9 of Grails, which is the Wish card, the 9 of Cups. And the Lord of Grails, the King of Cups, the Queen of Grails, the Queen of Cups, the Prince of Grails. Okay. Now the Ace of Knives, which is the Swords. The 2 of Knives, which is the 2 of Swords. The 3 of Knives is like the broken heart, and it's interesting. She's like a rose that's bleeding. The 4 of Knives, the 4 of Swords. The 5 of Knives, the 5 of Swords. Interesting. The Lord of Knives, the King of Swords. The Queen of Knives. The Daughter of Knives, the Page of Swords. Now I'm going to go to the skulls, which are earth, the earth element, therefore pentacles or coins. So the Ace of Skulls, the Ace of Pentacles, the 2 of Skulls, the 2 of Pentacles. Yeah, okay. Specters, cups, knives, and this is the last one. Now the 3 of Skulls, the 3 of coins or 3 of Pentacles, the 6 of Skulls, 6 of Pentacles, the 7 of Skulls, the 10 of Skulls, the Queen of Skulls, the Queen of Pentacles, the Prince of Skulls, and finally the Daughter of Skulls, which is the Page of Pentacles. So this is interesting, very dark and very beautiful, and I wish I could draw in paint like he does. I don't know, I'm going to do a little reading, maybe for all of us. Sorry. So, like this, like this, like this, like this. So, I don't know, pick A or B, A or B. What is the message from the universe to you right now? This shuffles well. This is going to. What is the message from the universe for you right now? Doesn't matter when you're seeing this video. I'm doing it on the 26th of June 2018. You can see it in 2019, 2020, in the year 3000. I have no idea. It's still relevant. What is the message from the universe for you right now? Pick A or B. A or B. A or B. Okay. A or B. So if you picked A, you have the Lord of Grails, which is the King of Cups. Okay. Grails. Grails, where are you? Where are you? So I'm going to read from the book because he put a lot of work into this. Ian Daniels put a lot of work into the Lord of Grails. So I want to see what he has to say. Alchemy, fiery aspect of water. Kindred spirits, 7 of Knives, 8 of Grails, 9 of Grails. Essence, active in dynamic emotion, intuitive, mysterious, intoxicating, transcendental, emancipating, visionary, enlightened, spiritual, redemptive, evocative, renunciation, soulful, merciful, understanding, healing, paternal, self-sacrifice, inner absorption, dreaming, idealistic, profound, illuminated, and graceful. The message and quality is: the Lord of Grails has an intuitive understanding that derives from inner enlightenment. He is sensual, intangible, and mysterious. He characterizes the positive energy of water, which is dynamic and potent in its source. The swiftness and potency of his spiritualized emotions, combined with his visionary insight, make him a powerful enchanter and mystical teacher. So either you're like this, or someone like this is about to enter your life, or someone like this is already in your life. So let's see if you picked this type of energy is about to enter your life or is present in your life. If you pick B, where is the message from the universe? Oh, the Ace of Knives, which is the Ace of Swords. So let's see. Knives. Knives, where are you, knives? Ace of Knives. Okay, so the alchemy is origin of the air signs crown, Keter. This is from Kabbalah. Keter of air, essence of intellectual consciousness, kindred spirits, the daughter of knives. Essence. The essence of thought, the mind, the root of consciousness, mental activity, clear perception, divine inspiration, objectivity, truth, justice, differentiating, divine authority, determination, triumph, intellectual communication, living in the clarity of the moment, beauty and harmony, purity, health, protection from fear, and liberty. The message is, the Ace of Knives brings divine inspiration and energy into being. The divine crown of Keter on the Tree of Life reflects its spiritual brightness into our mind. This clarity of thought and will then creates its own reflection, allowing it to crystallize into matter. The Ace of Knives is the very source of the thought, as yet unformed, but being its unique essence. It is the seed of a thought that will eventually manifest in a visible world. What is about to manifest in a visible world, which was previously a thought? Something is about to manifest. Something that you think about, that you planned. So this is the message for you if you picked B. Okay, that's it. If you like this deck, buy it. I bought mine at Book Depository, but you can pick any other site. So that's it. If you like your own personal reading with this deck or any other deck, please write to dunyazade@gmail.com, and I'd be delighted to work with you. Bye bye.